Are we doing the cult worship?
Yeah. Okay. All right, hands in, thumbs down, heads down, eyes closed. All right, traitors and traitors only. Put your thumbs up, take a look up, identify each other.
Which cards were the traitors?
Kings, red kings.
Red kings, okay.
Okay. Make sure your thumbs are up, you're looking at each other, you identify each other. Thumbs down, close your eyes, put your heads down. All right, everybody heads up, hands down. Game is live.
Cool.
Now, it's funnier every time somebody does it.
So we're gonna go up into the hill a little bit. Shouldn't spread out too far because
there's safety in numbers.
there is safety in numbers, but just keep an eye out.
No, not with Porter. Don't trust Porter ever.
Remember,
fuck that guy.
there is nobody that gets to see your card until you're dead, and you simply say innocent or traitor, and you come back. Okay?
What if I just bang everyone out when I win?
No, that will just line you up and shoot.
Exactly, you just get lit up.
Well, that's why I had to ask first. So I was just like,
Clear on the penalty shot rule too.
wait, what's the penalty shot rule?
Okay, so if I'm innocent and you're innocent, and we both get paranoid of each other, and you and I, because we both think each other's the traitor, we have a shootout. Whoever wins that shootout, at the end of the game, when it's clear who was a traitor and who wasn't, and that we were both innocent, I would give you the penalty shot.
Okay, gotcha. Sounds good. Cool.
It's incentive for you to not just start killing.
Right.
I don't trust him. He just bolted for the hill.
Okay, so you told me at the beginning of the game.
I don't trust him at all. Okay, everybody, all together now, across the field. Come on.
We could write it all down.
Here.
Patrick, I gotta be honest.
Whoa! I didn't say shoot at him.
He's firing a warning shot. Wait, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I was just gonna walk around. What? But what? But what? What? Go away? Oh, okay, sorry. I thought you said bro what? And I'm like, what? Bro, wait, what? A little bit of hysteria. I think that's one of the traitors.
I'm dead.
CIA investigation. What's your card? Cool, awesome.
Innocent! So all of you are getting penalty shots.
Oh,
I didn't
crap.
shoot you.
What? Can I get shot in the ass? Yes!
No, somebody up there got me. He came from over there. I heard bang bang over there. Did Porter do that? Yeah, Porter, you're out, right?
Are you dead?
Oh no!
You're innocent, right? That makes sense. He's somewheres. Okay, I don't know where he is, but I'm gonna investigate the bodies. Okay. Alright, so I'm a CIA operative, I'm gonna investigate your body. After I take down the other guy's pants, okay.
We're dead up here.
Yeah, I know. I'm watching for the other guy.
Oh, okay. I thought you were looking at something like, dude, don't shoot. We're already dead. Or you can walk.
Battery's out.
Oh my God!
I got a bad feeling about this.
Do it! Just do it!
Hello there. Bang bang, I'm right behind you. Bang bang, I don't want to shoot you in the ass, man. I'm sorry. Yeah, is this a spot you were telling me about, or?
No.
It's a good spot though.
No, I just found this by accident.
That's a good spot, man. I was searching around for you forever, and I was like, he's gonna shoot me one of these days.
I heard the shots coming from over there, and I was like, he's gotta come through this way sooner or later.
Yeah, pretty much. I shot that way, but then I came around here. Yeah, that was a good game, dude. You got those people like so easily. Like once that one kid said he was dead, I was like, yeah, it's gotta be him. Here, I'll give you a hand.
God, who? I didn't fire a single shot.
I mean, you bang 2 people. You killed 2 people as a traitor.
No, I thanked one person.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's right. The other guy shot
just
Porter.
one.
Well, I mean, everyone's dead except for me, so I think that's a win for the traitors.
So a bit of backstory before this next segment. The past 2 games I won both with the most kills, and I was able to kill everyone else before they killed me. So this is why they're going to be a little bit salty coming up.
What the fuck?
I banged him. I got behind him and I was like, I don't want to shoot him in the butt.
Always kill you.
You want to shoot me right now?
No, it sounds fun now.
I got one person.
I got killed immediately by this guy.
I banged him.
I was like, really?
Yeah, he just like started fucking shooting. And I was like, how's the stoned one, the one cracking it off? What the fuck?
At least I was fucking right. He's got the tight senses.
Right
That's what
now.
it is.
Yep.
Oh, again.
What, me? No. Oh, did he? Okay.
Everybody got a card?
Yes, I do.
All right. Yeah,
Let me double check what it is.
No, I know what it is.
And show the camera.
Yeah, red card is traitor. Black card is innocent.
Yes.
Yeah.
Rat-a-tat-tat-tat.
All right. Heads down, eyes closed, hands up. Traitors and traitors only. Put your thumbs up. Put your heads up, open your eyes, take a look around, find each other. That should be plenty of time. Close your eyes, put your heads down, put your thumbs down. All right, everybody, hands down, heads up, eyes open. Game is
Hoorah!
live.
Mind holding this for me for a second?
Yeah, no problem.
Put a lot of trust. I put a lot of trust in you there.
There's a lot of trust going on right there.
I'll
Well, I
shoot your
figured-
toe off.
Figure since everyone's here. Yeah, fuck, I'm gonna need a better.
Scared of Porter. Fuck you, Porter.
I don't know. I got the feeling I don't trust this little motherfucker.
Oh!
I love how this fully standing.
No, you can go over there.
They started out with hands down, like that's not normal.
I'm stoned here, okay?
Don't trust Mike, he's a little sus.
What, this mic or that mic? What, this mic or that mic?
That mic.
Are you sure not this mic? No.
I only know one mic.
Oh.
Yeah, you're not allowed right here.
Go away.
Is this like the border canyon?
This is the border. You can't cross it.
Oh.
Stay over there. You need to die, damn it.
You can just shoot me. I won't give you a penalty shot. Oh, okay. How about if I pay you this bottle of BBs? If I give you this, can I cross?
No.
Oh. If I give you this, can I cross?
No.
Oh, come on.
Sit down there, you can cross.
Oh, okay, cool, awesome. Alright. Yeah, it crossed. This is actually kind of boring over here. I'm going back. It's not as fun as I thought.
Over here, you're good at this.
What? Yes. I did absolutely nothing last round. Until someone died, then I was like, what the? Woo!
Okay, what were you? Traitor. What were you? Traitor. Get down.
Oh my god, actually?
Huh?
Actually?
Yeah, I was. I was trying to get up close to them, but
Oh no. That's That's hilarious. Oh my god.
That was fucking quick.
Legit legend over here. Whoops.
Only one.
Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to get one.
Everybody gather around.
Oh, yes.
Hands up, heads down, eyes closed. Traitors and traitors only. Put your thumbs up. Put your heads up, open your eyes. Take a look around. Plenty of time, put your thumbs down. Heads down, eyes closed. Alright, everybody. Hands down, heads up, eyes open, game is live.
Let's go.
Yeah, I heard him breathing. He was going like this. I heard him breathing.
I don't know, I've been running.
No, I know.
Ah!
First strike. Double kill. Triple kill. Overkill.
I think I just killed 4 people. I'm a traitor.
I mean, you hit my gun, but I assume that counts.
Does gunshots count or no?
What's your card?
Innocent.
Innocent, what's your card?
Traitor.
What's your card?
Innocent.
Innocent?
Innocent.
Okay. Who else we got?
Did you get hit or?
Innocent.
Oh, were you killed?
I think so.
Oh, okay.
Killed?
Yeah, there's only one guy left.
Must be him.
Get him, Porter. I was just like Rambo it.
You got Traitor twice in a row. I got Traitor once and I got Innocent the second time. I'm like, fuck.
Yeah, it was me and Porter are the traitors. Oh my god, that was actually pretty good. I just like spun in a circle. It's gonna be so crazy to edit though.
Second I saw the rounds going off and swiveling, I was like,
Yeah, you got me pretty clean. You got me really
I was
clean.
like, shit.
You got me super clean.
It's funny to watch between skill and thumb. Well, no, literally, last time we were playing, we were walking side by side like this, me and Tyler, and our friend Eli, he was the traitor.
Yeah.
He was chatting with us, and he just walked up and went, bang, bang. I'm like, are you fucking kidding?
Oh, you
I
fragging
thought
me,
he was
mate?
joking. We thought he was joking, but no, he was serious. I'm like,
We're serious about this. Oh yeah, I finally died. You finally killed me again.
Yeah, but you have to kill everyone for it.
I had to kill most of you. Oh god, I'm starting to realize the amount of people I just killed.
You were trying to circle it around all of us and just said, fuck!
No, I was literally just like, I'm gonna line them up in the middle, but I'm gonna wait till everyone's in a little bit different
I heard
situation.
the firing, and I saw him swivel. And by the time I was like this, he was already facing me. I was like, I'm fucked.
Yeah, you traded with me though.
Corner again.
You got me
Shooting at you.
forearm and the elbow.
Nice. I think you got me all over the vest. I heard like several vest pops. I'm like,
It does. If it's on
Yeah.
your body. Okay. I wasn't sure about that. I call it.
yeah. So in some fields, any gun hit counts.
Okay.
In other fields, it's like if you're holding your gun like this or your gun like this and you get hit, then it counts because bullet penetration.
You need a gun?
Yes, I do.
Porter, do you just want to take one of ours?
Take reposition quickly.
You got several guns standing right here. You can just pick one up and go.
That's funny.
If this was a loot box, he just totally blew past it.
I was like, Porter.
He's like, I want that pickaxe on the hill, not these ARs.
He's really doing it. He's
Yeah.
really trying.
You got it. I think you got a new battery. That's hilarious. I think so far this has been the funnest round. Just spin me right round like a record, baby.
The funniest part was he was running down the hill. Do you need a new gun? Yes, I do. Running past all of us with functional weapons.
Hey, there he is, yay! Jake just lights him up.
Time to shine, Jake.
You got this, Jake.
Round 2, fight!
Just smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
First thing I thought it was Porter's gun. I was like, man, that's loud. Right, I kind of feel bad. Right?
Them some hot fucking BBs there.
Strat. And you know, an hour later, we're gonna see Porter there and Jake over there.
Yeah, it's still a lot better than shit you do.
What, just going around and then around?
Going up the edge of the hill, so we go to the edge of the hill.
Oh, they going back down.
to the other edge of the hills.
Yeah.
When we were doing Ronin, you were on the other side of the field where I was. You were like, I'm like, yeah. You're like, yeah. I'm like, all right. I'm going around. You knock out him and Jake.
Yeah.
And I see you running through a bush. I'm like, you caught me first. I'm like,
See, I was the bait. I knew you were probably gonna shoot me.
I knew I didn't have a
Yeah.
clean shot. I was like, come on.
Yeah. No, it was interesting for sure. It was an interesting hunt. Oh. There you gotta do friendly teabag, like friend. Yeah, I know they are. Hey! I win!
Yeah, what the live fire happens like, oh shit, somebody's...
Porter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Porter was the other traitor.
I thought Porter was innocent.
No, Porter's a traitor.
Well, because you're sitting there, you're like, okay, who got hit? Okay, who's left?
Yeah. It was a good act.
Good hunting.
Yeah, good job though. No, it was funny because like Porter. No, yeah, it was funny, guys, because while you guys were, Porter, you were facing that way, right? Jake was dancing by this tree right here. So you were within 20 feet of each other, but you couldn't see each other. It was hilarious.
So funny, dude.
Like, because Jake is like checking every corner, then Porter's just sitting there, and you guys are just like directly across from each other, but can't see each other.
I just decided to wait. What's gonna happen?
Yep. No, it was a good game though.
No. The funniest part was, Porter, you need to go in? Yeah! Run past all these weapons and go to the car.
Good job, though, Jake.
Yeah, that was good though.
Good.
Pretty long. Yeah, it was a pretty long hunt.
You're good. Hi.
Oh yeah. Yep. Jake's into the stealth division.